What up, everyone? June 29th. It's been a little minute for me, but I've been a lot of busy for recently. So I recently made a video about some things that I got from online auction. Then I accidentally erased the video. So I just said forget it and I just left it be. But now today I'm going to recap on all the stuff that I'm going to ship out, pretty much from the sales from Friday to like early Saturday up to now, Monday, which is Monday morning. But let me go ahead and get into it. The first thing, I got them all packaged up already, just sitting here in the box and all those envelopes. So the first thing I got up is a Lexium E1550. It's a router that sold for $7.99 plus buyer pay shipping. So that's still profit from the electronic lot that I got. So about $7 left after paying for shipping and PayPal fees and eBay. So next thing up here, I got some pods, Perfect Cooler Complex. I don't know, pretty much this is for women. So I picked this up at Dollar Tree when me and my wife is there, and she's picking up some things for her store. So I just was scanning stuff on eBay and seeing what was going on with some of that stuff, and this was one of the things. So I had this probably for a few weeks now, maybe a month, but I got it four of them, so that was $4 into it, and so for $13.49 I had it listed, plus $13.49 plus free shipping, and after all the fees and taxes, I think I came out with profit in $3 some change. So I mean, it's a small profit, but it's just something to test out just to see if it works or how fast it sells. But for that was $13.49 free shipping. Got all it packed up and ready to ship. The next thing here is an audio control. It's a octave 10 band equalizer. I got this from the online auction, and when I had a few like receivers and stuff like that, and one of these equalizers was one of them, and the buyer paid $74.99 plus shipping, which they all came out to $122 all together. So and what I paid for that equalizer, let me see, paid $13.15 for that equalizer. So that's a nice little profit, which is $59.36. So I think that's one more thing, actually two more, because one of them I sent out that Saturday morning that somebody bought that Friday, but this one up next is two vintage Las Vegas International Casino ashtrays. This is from them. I think I had like 60 something ashtrays out of the online auction when I bought these, and these are some that sold, and both of these sold. I had them listed for $29.99 plus shipping, and the buyer sent me a request for $25, and I accepted that. And before they sent the the offer, they messaged me asking, I had to change up the international thing on the shipping, because they said it was charging like $60 something. And before him, somebody else had messaged me about that too, but I never really paid too much mind because I'm not really shipping international. But I end up looking on there, and I end up changing it up, making it to where he said he was used to paying. I'm going through the global shipping program on eBay, so end up being $25 for the shipping too. So it came out $50 altogether. So this is my first time actually going through the eBay global shipping plan, the system thing. So I'm about to start trying to dip into more of the international part of sales, because I hear that you're missing out on a lot of sales, like millions. So I'm gonna start trying to dabble with that. But as I learn, I'll let y'all guys know. But if y'all need to know anything, just let me know. I'll try to figure something out if I don't know. But yeah, I'm trying to dip into that. So they paid $25 plus shipping was $25, and it's going to United Kingdom. So I already printed out the label, and is going to Kentucky. So once he hit the Kentucky eBay center, where they do their international shipping, they take care of all the rest. I don't have to fill out no papers or anything. I just ship it to them to Kentucky, and they do the rest. So, and if anything happens or whatnot, it's on eBay's fault. So it won't be on me. My seller rate won't go down. None of that bad stuff. But it'd be interesting to see how things would turn out with the international thing. It might end up being a flip for me, and I might start getting more sales from international than I do in the own United States. So we'll see. But that was that. Next thing here was an Aries wireless cable modem. This sold for $21.87 plus free shipping. This is with the electronic lot deal that I had. So this is all profit, and I think it cost me maybe about $7 or $8, I believe, to ship off. Let me check here. Yeah, it cost me $7.56 to ship that off. So with all the fees and everything, that left me with $11.19. So it's still pretty good for just pure profit. So that's everything for that went out. I mean, like, I don't know. Like I said, I had another video, but I ended up erasing the video accidentally. So also, I wanted to show. I got some of the stuff already packaged, but I'm gonna show you just some of the stuff that's sitting out right now. This is some of the stuff that I got from the online auction. It's a collection of little old handheld games. I don't know if they work or not, but I haven't gotten to them yet. And I have a bunch of Disney movies on VHS. I haven't really looked those up yet, so they've been sitting. And there, it was actually 3 work lights, and boxed up. I put 2 in a lot and boxed them up together. They are in the box, and this one right here I'm keeping. So yeah, that's it for that. Let me look at this paper. Let me get everything so I can let y'all know everything I got. Okay, this is a list of things that I got. Okay, I got the handheld games that you just seen. I paid $21.52 for that. The cassette tapes, all those I paid $5.98 for that. The portable lights, all 3 of them, the ones I had, I paid $19.13 for that. Now, another thing that I got was a Craftsman's portable vacuum. It's one of them shop vacs. It's a little 2-gallon one. I got that for personal use. I just need it. I don't have one of those, so something small like that I clean out the car with. So that's mainly what I got it for. So I paid for that though, $31.09. And also got a collection of old antique safety razors. Some that I'm just trying out, because I see them a lot on the online auction, and I see people selling them on eBay. So I just figured, let me just try it out and see how this is. But I paid for those $19.13. I'll be showing you guys pictures of this stuff so you can see, because I got the rest of that stuff Oh, also, I got a box up too. I'm gonna show you a picture, but it's a Michael Kors hand purse. I got that on the auction and was going back and forth until I finally won, and I paid for this purse $186.51. So I already got it listed, and I think I have it listed for 300. I think 350 maybe. No, actually I think it's 400. I got it listed for 400. So I got it listed for 400. Got the best offer, and I'm gonna just see how it goes. Plus, I think I have it paying. They're paying shipping, I believe. But I'm gonna see how it goes for a couple of days, and I might tweak the settings or whatever. Probably charge free. Then I don't know. I'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna wait a little bit and see what type of bikes I might get on it. Either would I get any watchers or anything like that. But yeah, I paid $186.51 for that purse. So that is it. I mean, it's kind of like a quick cap of, letting you guys know what's been up. So I'm about to get ready to take these boxes to the post office because they about to get ready to open in a minute. So once I do that, I'm gonna drop those off, get back home, and I'm gonna start listing some more of this stuff, and finally just pretty much finished with rearranging inventory and everything. I got everything all stacked up, trying to keep it neat as I can and keep some room for me to be able to walk. But also got here filled with all the priority boxes that I have, and I got everything pretty much out of here. And also I moved everything out of here and skewed everything and put just a little bit of something in here because I have a problem with my water spigot outside. It's leaking and I need to get this fixed, and it's leaking on in the basement. And I already had a couple boxes that was a little wet, but it wasn't to a point where it was damaged to what was in the box. But I got everything moved out, and right now I just storing the envelopes in here, and I got them pushed a little bit front because all the water is really dripping right on this shelf. So you can see the difference. I don't know if you guys see it now, but you kind of see the difference of the wood. That's where all the water is really dripping at. It's not dripping on anything else in here, but it's a problem, and I had to get this fixed. But with all that said, everything is everything. Everything's cool, getting good. But I'm gonna try to finally. I bought one of these boards, and I have not yet to put it up yet. That shows how much discipline that I need to be working on. But that's it for right now. So whenever I talk to you guys again, I'll let you know what's going on. But till then, stay a student for life, learn from your mistakes, and everything will be alright. Peace.